Hello everyone. So I just want to recommend you some nice AI keyboard. So I just found it out with this app called AI chatbot app is chat, which is one of alternatives to ChatGPT, which is like very similar to any other alternatives. They just using ChatGPT API and yeah, like similar apps to chat on. But the cool feature about this app is that they have this AI keyboard, which you can access this keyboard, yeah, right from your iPhone keyboard, and then you can use these really advanced features, which I just really liked. I think it's very powerful. You don't need to go to the app. You just, use these quick AI customizations right from your keyboard. You can add it from your notes, Snapchat, like whatever, Tinder, whatever apps you are using, and then just add this keyboard, just like you add any other keyboards through the settings. So I just added it, and let me just show you. So for example, if I open Snapchat and I want to chat, I just then enable this keyboard. If I just tap and hold, yeah, I just switch with, and here is the this keyboard. I just write something and then I can just tap improve. I can do spell check, I can paraphrase, versify, emojify, add some all things, and or you can just tap right. So that's but yeah, the main focus is that you can just add all of these settings. Yeah, I think originally uh, this app is using chat on AI keyboard, so you can also use chat on app for that. But yeah, pretty powerful. But unfortunately, you need to pay to access this feature. But the price is like around $50 yearly subscription, not for the months, just for the whole year. So instead of paying $20 for yeah, like OpenAI, you can just pay $50 for this app and then have it for the full year using the same API. So I'm talking about this app, AI chatbot app with chat. You can see the developer. So yeah, give it a try. Pretty cool feature with this AI keyboard. It saves you some time. You don't need to go back to the app, copy paste, and create some additional prompts. You just do it from your iPhone keyboard.